Hey, what's up, everyone? Did you know you can explore national parks on an e-bike without breaking the bank, tackling trails, sand, and hills with ease? Today, we're counting down the best e-bikes for national park rides available on Amazon. Whether you want raw speed, all-terrain versatility, or a long-range cruiser, we've got you covered. All the links are in the description, so check them out as we go. Let's dive in and see which rides will transform your outdoor adventures. Number 7. Jason Thunder Electric Bike, 1,500 watts peak, 30 plus miles per hour, 864 watt-hours battery. If you crave high speed and serious off-road performance, the Jason Thunder delivers. Its 1,500 watt peak motor pushes speeds beyond 30 miles per hour, backed by an 864 watt-hour battery that claims up to 80 miles of range. Fat 26-inch by 4-inch tires and front suspension provide traction and comfort over sand, snow, and gravel, while hydraulic disc brakes offer superior stopping power for high-speed adventures. Compared to the previous 750-watt model, this bike leaps ahead in power, speed, and component quality. Though it's heavy, not street legal in most areas, and best, suited for private land or off-road trails. Experienced riders seeking adrenaline-fueled, long-range exploration will love it. Are you ready to handle that kind of speed off-road? Number 5. E500 Electric Bike, 1,000 watts peak, 20-inch fat tire, 40-mile PAS. The E500 is a rugged, mid-range, all-terrain e-bike designed for adventure without the bulk of extreme high-speed machines. Its 1,000-watt peak motor, 48-volt battery, and 20-inch fat tires offer excellent traction and stability across mountains, sand, roads, beaches, and snow, while a 7-speed drivetrain makes climbing and varied terrain manageable. Compared to the Jason Thunder, it trades extreme speed and hydraulic brakes for a more compact, approachable design, making it ideal for recreational riders or weekend adventurers who want a versatile dirt e-bike that's still manageable and budget-friendly. For riders focused on maneuverability and all-terrain fun, this bike hits the sweet spot. Would you choose extreme speed or easier handling for technical trails? Number 4. Electric Dirt Bike, 1,500 watts / 2,000 watts peak, 20 inches / 16 inches, fat tires, 55 to 80 mile range. For serious off-road enthusiasts, this high-performance all-terrain e-bike is a game-changer. Its 1,500-watt sustained motor, peaking at 2,000 watts, reaches top speeds of 28 to 32 miles per hour, while a 48-volt battery promises 55 to 80 miles of range. Riders can choose 20-inch tires for stability or 16-inch for agility on technical trails, making it ideal for dirt, sand, snow, or challenging landscapes. Compared to the E500, this model offers massive power, extreme speed, and extended range, though its legal use on public paths is restricted, and the heavy, rugged build can be unwieldy. Highly recommended for experienced riders seeking adrenaline and endurance off-road. How far would you push yourself on a full-power dirt e-bike? 5,000-watt dual-motor electric bike, 52 volts, 32 ampere hours, 45 miles per hour, 90 miles. This is the ultimate extreme off-road e-bike, built for experienced riders seeking motorcycle-like power and dominance on trails. Dual 5,000-watt motors deliver 45 miles per hour speeds, while the massive 52-volt, 32 ampere hour battery claims up to 90 miles of range. Full suspension, fat 24 / 26-inch tires, and hydraulic brakes provide control and comfort on rough terrain. Compared to the two-seater or mid-range bikes, this model trades utility for pure adrenaline, making it suitable for private land or extreme adventure. Only for experienced riders who can handle extreme speed and legal restrictions. Could you handle a 45 miles per hour fat tire monster in the park? Number 1. So guys, that's our roundup of the best e-bikes for national park rides. All the links are in the description, so check them out. Which e-bike would you take on your next trail adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious, which one wins your vote? Thanks for watching.